Hi everybody. Welcome to kind of a Fragrance Friday because today I'm going to try to do this unedited too, so I could just rock and roll with it. But I got a mini Scentsy haul, but the main thing in here is the Scents of the Season collection. I got the bundle. Was just for consultants right now, but I have them and I'm going to preview them with you guys today. And I'm so excited that you're here. If you don't already know, my name is Nikki and I am a Scentsy consultant. Very honest about my feedback. As you guys know, I can be really harsh on them and I can also really hype them up. So if you're looking for, if you need a consultant that can help you with what you're looking for, I will leave my website down in the description box below. If you are just looking for ideas and you already have an amazing consultant, I hope that I can help you here. So yeah, if you like home fragrance content, make sure you're subscribed because I do a ton of that stuff along with a little bit of smorgasbord of other things. So let's get into it. I'm actually gonna do the Scents of the Season, which are falling out here. Sorry, yeah, they're all falling out of the box. I kind of want to show you the box before I unbox it, which I'm saying a lot of box words here. Anyway, I'm going to put this aside. So fast forward to the Scents of the Season if that's all you're in for. I'll show you guys the rest of this little, it's kind of a mini haul. I got a hand cream of jeweled pomegranate. Jeweled pomegranate I absolutely love. It's just a really nice spiced berry plum scent. And this, yes, this smells almost exactly like, actually this one smells a little bit like a spiced grape juice with the hand cream. Definitely a little bit different than the wax comes across, but I really enjoy having their hand creams at my desk at work and also at on my nightstand, which is that messy thing right over there. Let's see what else I got. Oh yes, I got a dryer disc of Clothesline, one of my favorites. Actually, it is my favorite. And then I got this huge washer with tub of Clothesline. Clothesline is a powerhouse scent in wax. It is in laundry, and it just does an amazing job of getting my clothes to just smell really fresh and clean, like fresh cotton. I just absolutely love it. I usually put 2 scoops of this in a regular load, and then I use both dryer discs. Some people only use one. I like to use both, and I use this in replacement of dryer sheets. So these go really well together. Scentsy has an entire laundry line of so many scents. You should check them out because they're pretty great. I think the rest is just wax to make sure. I know I got a 6-pack of license bars. Let me see if there's anything else. Oh, I did. I'm gonna save this. Oh, you may have saw that as it went through here, but I have something. I'll just do a quick little preview there. Okay, let's go through these 6-pack. I did a bundle and save. Bundle and saves are an amazing option if you are looking to buy a lot of stuff and want to save some money. So basically with the 6-pack, you basically get 6 bars for the price of 5. So you really can't go wrong with that. So if you're going to get 5, you might as well bundle and save and get 1 more. So these are the licensed Disney ones that I got. So they are a little bit more expensive than the non-licensed ones, but again, I did bundle them up. So let's go ahead and smell. What do I got here? Just One Bite from the Villains collection. You can see our amazing queen there, Evil Queen from Snow White. This is just a great basic apple cinnamon scent. There is nothing, they're not reinventing the wheel with this, but I like it. And that's Just One Bite, apple cinnamon right there. Let's keep up with the Villains collection. I got Mistress of Evil. People love this one. Maleficent is, of course, the queen bee of the villains. This one is just a dash of spice with plum and berries, like raspberries. It's very fruity with just the slightest bit of spice. This is everyone's favorite when it comes to the Villains collection. It's not my favorite, but I like it. So I picked up a bar of that. My favorite, usually from the Villains collection, is Poor Unfortunate Souls, which is actually most people's least favorite. I feel like this is actually a medium. Some people feel like it's very light, which is weird because I love powerhouse scents. Light scents just frustrate me a lot of the times. This is an aquatic scent. So again, you can see it there. It's absolutely lovely. This is, yes, so there is like a real sweetness to this. This is more of a summer scent in my opinion. Someone's calling me on my phone too as I'm recording, so it's distracting me a little bit. This is beautiful, aquatic, super fresh fruit salad scent. You get peaches, you get strawberries, very sweet, beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. So I got 2 bars of that. And then a brand new one from the Villains collection is Dark and Devious. I have not smelled this one before, so you guys are going to get that one with me. Okay, this is smoky. There's some pumpkin in here and a little bit of like cedar wood. It's woodsy with a little bit of creamy pumpkin and smoke. Very nice. I never thought I would be into woods scents. Like it's never been in my wheelhouse, but the last 2 years, I can't get enough of like really nice smoky wood scents. I'm telling you, the older that I get, my tastes are totally changing. But that is Dark and Devious. You can see how awesome is this clamshell here. I know that the sun is kind of reflecting off of it. You can see Scar. You got Hades here, Cruella, Maleficent, Evil Queen, and it looks like Ursula. Super cool. Okay, and then finally, what rounds out my 6-pack is I got this from Frozen 2, Fearless in Nature. I've heard really good things about this. I've never tried it, so let's check it out. Wow. Okay, totally not what I was expecting. This is minty, like a spearmint with a tad bit of pine and maybe like the slightest bit of vanilla. This is really nice. I cannot wait to melt this. That has Sven on it too. That's from Frozen 2, Fearless in Nature. All of these should be still available as of right now on the Scentsy website. Again, I'll have a link down below for you if you would like to check it out. Okay, probably why you're really here is you want to check out the holiday stuff with me. Isn't that why you're here? I wish I had all the bricks, but you know what? I felt like I didn't want all the bricks. I love bricks, but to be honest, I feel like they just last so long when they're holiday scents that I just didn't want to have bricks just keep lasting and lasting. Just like with last year, I got a 2-pack bundle of the holiday bricks and I still have a ton of them. So I decided to get one, and I think Fluffy Fleece is going to be right up my alley. Fluffy Fleece. If you don't know what a Scentsy brick is, Scentsy bricks are about 5.5 of these. So what I do is if you see one of these clamshells, I believe this to be the equivalent of about 4 Scentsy cubes. So I cut this in half and I put 1/2 in a standard size warmer. If it's a mini warmer, I'll only do about 1/3 of that. But this is what they are. And you can get a bundle right now, 2 for $40, or you can buy separate and you can get 1 for $24. And that is a great deal considering that normally the bars are $6. You can eventually get the bars, I believe, or you can at least add them to their Scentsy Club. I'm not quite sure. Anyway, let's go ahead and smell this one. Okay, wow. This is exactly how I would describe a fuzzy, was it fuzzy fleece? There is a clean cotton scent, a little bit of a powdery note, but it's not like a floral powder. Definitely not off-putting. It just feels very cozy. This could be an all-season scent, to be honest. This is going to be beautiful in the bedroom. I can't wait to see how this performs. This is excellent. It doesn't have the scent notes here on it, but this is really, really nice. Beautiful. Look at how pretty that packaging is, that fluffy fleece. There you go. Okay, guys. The scents of the season's here. All five bars, I think. 5 bars are in here. Some of them are not new. Some of them came from last year. One that I'm especially excited for, even though it's been in my club. It's not like I've been without it, but I'm so glad some of you guys will get to be able to try it for the first time. So this is the Scents of the Season bundle. This will be available to you guys November 1st, I think. If I'm wrong, I'll put that here, what the exact date is, but it's in November. And you can buy it as a bundle, or if you have a Scentsy club, you can add it as individual bars. So you have that, oops, as I'm tossing it all over the place. So we have Bayberry and Currant. I'll smell all these with you guys in a minute. Fireside Chats. Beautiful packaging this year. Cookies for Santa. This was in the last Scents of the Season. Spiced Apple Chestnut. And then my favorite. This is my favorite last year. It totally blew my mind. Actually, I don't know if it was my favorite, but it was tied for my favorite. Wassail Wonderland or Wasai Wonderland, whatever it is. I'll never get it right. I always forget. People always tell me what it is and I forget. So you can tell me what it is in the comments down below and I'll probably mess it up next time. Just letting you know. So this one is my favorite. So let's start with this one. As you can see, it does show you have your oranges here, some cinnamon stick. Looks like maybe some cranberries here. To me, this is the most beautiful orange cinnamon Christmas tree scent you could ever imagine. It's absolutely gorgeous. Oh, I love it so much. You don't miss that tree in that. That is in there. So there is a definite woodsy, piney scent in there, but you get that beautiful orange, spiced orange. It's not overly spicy, but it has spice. And it's done so incredibly well. This is a absolutely fantastic scent. Love it. Love, love, love. Just buy this for this. So good. Okay, let's just go with Spiced Apple Chestnut next. Let's see. Okay. The spice is not overly spicy at all. This is almost like a sweet apples. I don't detect any nuttiness from it. Maybe a little bit. If there's nuttiness, it's like a sweet nut, if that makes sense. This is very interesting. It's not an apple cinnamon scent like you would get from like just one bite. It's not that typical, apples and cinnamon that you get everywhere. There is a difference to this, but I can't put my finger on it. I'm intrigued by this. That is Spiced Apple Chestnut. That'll be really nice during Thanksgiving time. Let's go with Fireside Chats next. Never smelled this one before. Okay, my mom is gonna love this one. This is a very heavy spice scent. And there is a little bit of smokiness to it, but not too bad. Yes, this is very spice forward with a little bit of smoke with it. It is very appropriately named. Fireside Chats. I don't dislike this at all. We'll see if I like it though. Cookies for Santa. Cookies for Santa was a big hit last year with the Scents of the Season collection. It wasn't my favorite though. I expected a lot more from this, but it was just okay for me. This is just a classic sugar cookie, I guess, but it was very light. And there was a weird, like milky scent to it, if it makes sense. It seems like it's gonna be like that again. But again, I was kind of in the minority, but that's Cookies for Santa. I would still give this a shot because if you're like 99% of other people, you're gonna love it. And then finally, Bayberry and Currant. I've never smelled this one either. Okay, this is Quintessential Christmas. You get a great wreathy scent with there's sharpness to this, but it's not like a pine or a tree. I think it's the berry. There's a zesty berry in here. I've never smelled a bayberry, so I don't really know. This is gorgeous. This is really pretty. Way better than I ever expected on this. Absolutely gorgeous. I need to start bringing the scent notes with me so I can tell you guys and see if it kind of correlates. I'll do that some other time. Anyway, that's Bayberry and Currant. I'm going to go with my rankings, okay? I'm going to go with, let's see, with Fall Wonderland, of course, #1. Then I'm going to go with Bayberry and Currant. Absolutely gorgeous. Then I'm going to go with the Spiced Apple Chestnut, the Fireside Chats, and then finally Cookies for Santa. All right, everybody. What do you think? Are you guys excited for some holiday scents? I am just now really getting into the fall scents, like in the past couple weeks. So I cannot believe that we are really like gearing up for holidays. It's just totally like blown me away how much we are really into the holidays right now. Anyway, how's everybody doing? Let me know in the comments down below how you are, what you've been melting. Are you getting into the holiday spirit yet? Or are you just like totally pumping the brakes and like, I'm not ready? Have you tried any of these scents? Let me know in the comments down below. What are you excited for? All right, everybody. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. And I will talk to you guys again very, very soon. Have a happy Friday. Bye.